In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture leads by integrating Shopify with Google Sheets. We'll be using Zapier to streamline this process, and I'll guide you through the easiest method step by step. Let's start by clarifying what I mean by leads. In this context, leads are essentially people who have expressed interest in your offerings. This could be through actions like entering their email via a form, signing up for a newsletter, filling out a contact form, requesting a quote, or a similar engagement. Capturing leads involves gathering this information into a system where you can later use it effectively, and Google Sheets is a great user-friendly option for this purpose. To get started with capturing leads using a no-code tool like Zapier, the first thing you'll want to do is either create or open an existing Google Sheet where you'd like to store your lead information. It's important to ensure that this sheet has the columns set up for the data you want to collect. Typical columns would include entries like name, email, date, and source, among any other specifics you might need. Now, you'll need to sign up for or log into Zapier. Once you're in, you'll be creating a new Zap. For the trigger event of this Zap, you'll choose a Shopify event that captures a lead. There are several options you can select from, such as New Customer, which could be triggered when someone completes a checkout or sets up a customer account. Alternatively, you might use New Customer Created. If you're using a separate form application for things like newsletters or custom contact forms, you can opt to use its trigger, provided it's supported by Zapier. The next step is to set up the action within your Zap. This will be Create Spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. You'll need to connect your Google account to Zapier, and from there, select the specific sheet and worksheet where you want these leads to be recorded. Be thorough in mapping the fields. This is where you indicate how Shopify's lead information corresponds to the columns in your Google Sheet. For instance, ensure that the email data from Shopify matches up to the email column in your sheet. Once you've mapped everything, it's time to test the Zap. This is a crucial step to ensure that the integration works smoothly and that leads are indeed appearing in your Google Sheet, just as you've planned. Assuming the test goes well, you can proceed to activate or turn the Zap on. From now on, each time your set trigger occurs, a new row will automatically be added to your Google Sheet, capturing all the details of the lead. This seamless integration will help you maintain an organized system for managing potential customers and clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes it easier for you to capture leads efficiently.